Hi everybody, I am your Prasad. Today's our topic is design of control unit. This is very important, design of control unit. This is the topic from first chapter, micro programmed control, from the second unit. Now it is second unit. First chapter is micro programmed control. Means some of the chips, motherboards, circuits will be designed with micro programs. Generally we type program outside, but inside micro program will be typed. In that important topic is designing of control unit, design of control unit. Basically some basic points here. CPU means central processing unit, brain of the computer, processor. Inside processor we have control unit. And we also have ALU. We say that ALU, but in fact it is arithmetic logic shift unit, ALSU. Already I posted in my previous video. This video I have posted, ALSU. Right, and we have cache memory, cache memory also I have posted in my previous video. To improve the speed of the computer, we have cache memory, right? CAS is cache, not cache or cache. Register or flip-flops. We have registers and flip-flops also in the CPU, right? There in control unit we have control memory. See, I put greater than, just to know you the basic things. Control memory. In control unit. In control memory we have control words. In control words we have control variables, means zeros and ones, bits. This will the instructions, low level instruction that will instruct the computer what to do. So control memory will act all those things. Now the topic is designing of control unit. Come this side. This is the basic part. Now your question may be asked something like this. Show this question. Explain about designing of control unit. Explain about designing of control unit. Very important topic. Here the diagram's title is decoding of micro operation fields. Decoding of micro operation fields. Right, here we have three decoders. Decoder means takes three inputs here, 3 into 8. 3 into 8 and 3 into 8 means it will take 3 inputs and will give 8 outputs. The 3 inputs are coming from field signals coming from control memory. I already told you, one should show me here, if you don't mind, one show me here. Control memory, this thing. In the memory we have some signals, fields, zeros and ones. That is there in the control unit. Come this side. So that is not there in the textbook diagram, but if you read the context, you will understand that field signals, these three signals will come from control memory, that will enter into control memory, this 3 decoders, and each decoder will release output of 8. Instead of not meshing everything, he has not given the connection in the textbook, Morris Mann. See here, from here, the 4th bit is enter into DRTAC, means here data register TO2, this stands for 2. Data register to accumulator, it will change to data register to accumulator, and that will be entered into arithmetic logic shift unit. This is arithmetic logic and shift unit. Here 5th bit is DR to AR. DR means, you know already, in my previous video I already told you, data register. T means preposition, 2, TO2. AR, address register. Data register to address register, that will enter into select for this mux. Here he has taken these letters, MUX, mux full form is multiplexer. Takes many inputs, will give one output. And here we have 6th line. This 6th line is enter into this gate. 6th line we have to PC TO2, preposition, AR. PC means, I already told you in my previous video, program counter to address register. Program counter to address register. This is data register to accumulator. Collect all the zeros and 1 bits and it will execute some process, some task. Here that will enter into this gate. This is AR, address register. Some clock pulse is there. This clock pulse enter into AC, accumulator also. And here in the second decoder, now coming to second, here the first number means 001. Means 1, that will be entered into this arithmetic logic shift unit, that act as adder. ADD he has given nothing but adder. for addition purpose. Here this third bit enter into arithmetic logic circuit that acts as a end gate, means something like this. You know this already, right? These three inputs will be enter into arithmetic logic shift unit, and it will release a load. That load and this output will be act into AC. AC means already told you in the previous video, accumulator. That clock pulse will be shown here. In this clock pulse, it will be activated. AC and AR. Draw the diagram neatly. This will be the decoding of micro operation field in the control unit. Draw the diagram neatly. Explain these topics clearly, so you will get full marks. All the best for your exam.